Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be replacing the rear taillight on the Plymouth Voyager. This isn't something that had failed. This is something that I backed into by accident with a plow truck, and I did a pretty good job at busting it up. Got a new one off of Amazon here for about $35 or so, and I'll show you how I got that. And other than that, we're pretty much all set. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, just head on over to Amazon and just go to the search bar and just type in driver's side light for the '02 Chrysler Voyager. I know I call this the Plymouth Voyager sometimes, so I get kind of confused. But you just type that in, go ahead and hit your search, and you're going to come right up. This is the Eagle Eye, gives the part number for the Chrysler side rear lamp, 3267. And here's one for 45. It looks identical pretty much. And that's about it, one for 4305. So go ahead and click on that. And if you've ever bought any automobile parts on there, you can actually go and put in exactly what your vehicle is, and it'll tell you if it will fit. So this is an '02, okay, and it's a Chrysler, and a model, it is a Voyager, and check the fit, and it should come right up and tell you that this fit right there. This product fits this position of your '02 Chrysler Voyager. So that's all there is to it, and all you need to do is add it to your cart and you're good to go. So not a bad deal for $32.67.
Alright, this is extremely easy to do. All you need to do is, I'm going to use a screwdriver, and this little plug right here, this little cap, you want to kind of pull that out like this, and what that's going to do is it's going to release the tension. You should be able to just kind of pull that out of there like that. And there we go. And that's what holds it in. So when you push this in, what's happening is this piece here kind of pushes against the sides and keeps it from falling out. Go ahead and pull that one out. Let's do the same thing with this one. This one's going to stay together. There we go. And that's what it should look like when you pull it out. Now, just go ahead and pull the light out. There's a little tab here. This one here is not broken, but it seems to be a little bent, and it should slide right back in. Now, on the light itself, there's a little red tab that you just have to pull off to one side. And once you do that, you should be able to pull that right out of there. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Alright, now on your new one, all you need to do is just plug it back in. Just like that. And then that little red tab that I pulled out of there, you want to make sure that that snaps back in. And then you've got this little lip right here that just slides in that little hole, just like that. And then just bring it back over and put the plugs in. Alright, and then go ahead and take those plugs, push it in like that, push that one in. Well, there it is. I mean, maybe 3 minutes to do this job. There's not a lot to it. Whoever engineered how to replace these rear lenses is definitely not the same person that engineered how to replace the timing belt on the same vehicle. So this person should be promoted immediately. So I hope this helps you with your rear tail light problem, and thanks an awful lot for watching.